Presenting a pre-owned 2016 Land Rover Range Rover Supercharged. This 4-door SUV has an 8-cylinder, 5.0-liter V8 engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Land Rover has less than 120,000 kilometers on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 14 miles per gallon in the city, and 19 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, moonroof, child seat anchors, parking sensors, power door locks, stability control, traction control, navigation system, wireless data link, tow hooks, rear privacy glass, and window defogger. Thank you for choosing First Canadian Auto Sales and Service.